How to allow restricted websites on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can allow restricted website on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. So first things first, you'll need to head over to your settings and then scroll down, go to screen time, and then scroll down again, go to content and privacy restrictions. There you'll find App Store, Media, Web and Games. Tap on it and then tap on Web Content. Now, if it is set to limit adult websites or only approved websites, then tap on Unrestricted. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next